Welcome to your SST class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 7, that is climate in India. So let's start the chapter weather and climate. So first of all we will know what is the weather. Weather is a condition which change into day, into hour or into maybe minutes. Means in the morning you will see the weather is different, in the noon you will see the weather is different. Means in the morning there is a bright sun, in the noon there is a cloudy, and in the evening there is a rain. So it can change many times in one day. What is the climate? Climate never change suddenly, it remains for a long time, for months, and that is why we experiences season because of the climate. Weather and climate are interrelated terms, yet there is a huge difference between the two. Weather refers to the describe the atmospheric condition and the particular day, and the climate of a place is a regular pattern of weather condition over a long period of time. Now we will know that what are the factor which affect the climate of a place. किस वजह से climate change होता है. How far it is from the equator. This is the reason that what is the distance from the equator from the place. The farther a place is from the equator, the cooler it is. How much it is from far away from the equator, it will cool, and how much it will be near, it will be hot. For example, the northern part of India is cooler than the southern part. Second point is how high it is. This means the higher a place, the cooler it is. How much the place is high from the level land, it is the more cooler, just like a mountain. Those cities or places are on mountains, they are cool. For example, the higher you go in the northern region, the cooler it becomes. Number third, how far it is from the sea. The winds from the sea affect the climate of the region. The coastal plains have moderate climates, neither too hot nor too cold because of breeze from the sea. Winds play a very important role in changing climate or a season. If winds are blowing cool, then the weather will be cool, and if winds are hot, then weather will be hot. Everything depends upon the climate of the place, the food we eat, the dress we wear, and much more. We humans change our activities according to the climate. Season. In India, variation in temperature, rainfall, and monsoon winds result in three main seasons: winter, summer, and monsoon. Rainy. Winter, summer, and monsoon seasons are important seasons of our country. The weather condition of a region during these seasons determine the climate of a region. So our first season is summer. In India, the summer season begins from the middle of March or April and continues till to the end of June. In South India, it start becoming hot in March and stays hot till after May. In North India, summer starts in April and continues till June or July. In summer, it is hot and dry in almost all parts of India except in the mountains region. The sun is very hot and days are longer than nights. Hot, dry winds called Lu blow in the northern plain. Dust storms are also common in the region. The other side of the coastal region have moderate climate due to sea breeze, but due to high humidity, that is high amount of water vapor in the air, the weather becomes uncomfortable as it leads to precipitation, that is called sweating, and it takes long time to dry. Children, we will continue our chapter in the next video. Till then, read this chapter and try to understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.